warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bisa kan di zoom kayak gini. My name is Faizatul Alia and ID 2321010600048. Now I will explain my poster project. The title is Enhancing Reading Literacy in Indonesia, a systematic review of intervention media and pedagogical approaches. Okay, the first is abstract. This systematic review explores 20 recent studies, 20 and 20,000, so 20 and 24,000 that address reading literacy development in Indonesia. The review highlights new strategies such as digital storytelling, integrative learning, mentoring, and differentiated learning, as well as sociocultural and technological context. The findings suggest that digital innovations and strategic pedagogies improve reading comprehension and motivation. All tough challenges remain regarding media sustainability, teacher readiness, and cultural alignment, aims to inform future research and policy, emphasizing the need for adaptive technology integrated and student-centered models of reading learning in a changing educational landscape. So the second is introduction. Reading literacy remains a major concern in Indonesia as reflected in various international assessment and national initiative. The shift towards digital learning and the linguistic and cultural diversity of Indonesian students demand a re-evaluation of reading pedagogy. The systematic review synthesizes empirical studies conducted from 20 and 30,000 to 20 and 24,000 to identify interventions, learning models, media platforms, and contextual influences that are effective in improving reading literacy outcomes. The aim is to map recent developments and draw insight for education policy and practice, especially in the context of post-pandemic transformation. So the research question: what are the most effective strategies, media, and contextual approaches based on research in Indonesia in improving students' reading literacy at various levels of education? The third is my study. I think assess and analyze empirical literature relating to literacy development in Indonesia from 20 and 20,000 to 20 and 24,000. There were three main steps in the review process: identification, selection, data extraction, and thematic analysis. In the identification stage, research was conducted on national and international reputable journals that publish articles on literacy analysis, such as Journal of Education and Learning, International Journal of Language Education, and International Journal of Evaluation and Research in Education. The criteria include 1. Research conducted in Indonesia. 2. Emphasis on literacy among students. 3. Use of quantitative, qualitative, or mixed methods. And 4. Estimated between 20 and 20,000 and 20 and 24,000. Next, 20 articles were selected based on their topical relevance, methodological clarity, and contribution to the topic of literacy studies. Each article is data, including author, title, context, research methodology, and main idea was systematically analyzed. After that, the results were thematically analyzed to identify intervention strategies, learning strategies, learning media, and the challenges and opportunities that arise in literacy development among Indonesia students. So the next is findings. A systematic review of 20 studies that literacy development in Indonesia involves a variety of approaches across education, media, and content. Some key findings show that the use of digital technologies such as digital storytelling, Google Classroom, and Android-based application can improve reading comprehension and interest, especially among children and adolescents. In instructional strategies such as read list competence or RLC, integrative approaches, and cooperative integrated reading and composition CIRC are effective in improving students' comprehension and preventing plagiarism. Track media and context, students consistently have access to reading materials that suit their personal needs, while formal reading material such as books are more difficult to use in fostering higher order thinking skills. In addition, social factors such as community trust in literacy programs like PRBI and community literacy in initiative like the Buru Buku Membaca movement also have a significant impact on literacy levels. In summary, the aforementioned studies highlight the need for flexible, locally based and technology-oriented teaching methods to address the low literacy levels in Indonesia. There must be active participation from teachers, student engagement, and education policies that support the use of innovative methods and media that are in line with the times. So the last is conclusion. This systematic review showed that reading literacy in Indonesia can be improved through innovative technology-based approaches, active learning strategies, and socio-cultural support. The use of digital media methods such as CIRC and RRLC and the role of parents and communities have proven effective. Integration of education policies that support contextualized adaptive reading instruction and encourage critical thinking at all levels of education is needed. So the last here is the link to open my G draft. Maybe enough for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.